What's up, everyone? Today we have this. It's the latest version of the Magni amp, very popular amp for headphones. This one is the Magni Unity, so it's got DAC in there as well. They usually have the stack, the Magni Modi stack thing, but today we're just going to go with the all-in-one amp. Right. Should have been more prepared and gotten a knife, but oh well. This'll do. Well, at least I know it's not opened, so. Cool. Here you get one sticker. You get another one. Look in there, they have the names of different products. The manual. The thing itself. Oh wow. And that hasn't been opened. Oh wait, you can always put that back. I don't think it's been opened. That volume knob. We'll see. Yeah. Got 3 levels. I think this is the. Pretty sure this one's the gain switch, input switch. So you can switch between the USB-C port and the RCA in. And here's your headphone out. Nice. It's made of what looks to be aluminum and stainless steel, I believe. Here's the USB-C port. What's a bit interesting is it sticks out quite a bit. Look at that. That's a USB-C port. Normally it's flush with the rest of it, but okay. Assembly in USA. Awesome. No user service parts inside. Okay. Yeah. What else we get? What looks to be a USB-C cable. It's just a USB-C cable. I already have a ton of those, don't need to open that. What we do need to open, however, is this, the power supply. It looks to be, yeah, it's a wall wart. Here it is, a wall wart power supply. I'm trying to zoom in on the details. That's better. So that's what the specs of the power supply. If you're interested, pause here and read it. The cable is, well, appears to be decently long enough. Yeah, roughly 6 feet or something. Yep, that's good. And that plugs in obviously to the back. Says AC in. Interesting, it uses AC instead of DC. Let's see if the output is AC. Yeah, 16 volts AC. Oh, and by the way, the power switch is back here. Why doesn't this camera want to focus on the subject? It thinks the background's more important. I paid $1,000 for this, remember, and this camera won't even focus. There it goes, finally. So the power switch is on the back, next to the input. My iPhone does a better job focusing. I'm just using it to get my money's worth. But yeah, interesting. Put the power switch on the back because I rarely ever turn off my amp, but if I need to, yeah, sure, it's on the back. And these switches they feel really high quality. They're like toggle switches. Because they are. Yeah. There it is. The amp and the power supply. We're going to plug it in my computer and we're going to see what audio quality it outputs, or at least the DAC would recognize, and yeah, we'll look at that. Alright, so there's the amp. Have it connected to my computer right now over USB-C. Have it outputting to my stereo. The speakers have of course, you have your headphone jack, and there it is. I sure hope it disconnects the speakers when the headphones are plugged in. See if I hear anything clicking. No, other than that, maybe it's digital. I can play a sound test. Let's see. Yep. If I unplug it and play the same sound test, you hear that on the outside. So here's my Windows settings. It recognizes it. Magni Unity, although I think some people also call it the Magni 5 because it's like a 5th generation or something. And the maximum audio quality out of the Unity DAC is 32-bit, 192,000 hertz, which is still good quality. And of course, recommended to leave the Windows settings at max volume, so you use this as your volume control, well, the knob on the Magni. So. It looks to be a good amp. Hopefully no issues arise. So it seems to be good so far. Haven't even tested it with headphones yet, but it should be plenty powerful to drive the majority of headphones these days. So there it is, an unboxing of the Magni Unity or Magni 5, whatever you want to call it. This one has the DAC built in. So you also have the option to buy it without it, and also you have the option to buy it in I think black color. I got mine in silver because most of my equipment is black, and trying to make a change for once, try out a silver colored piece of equipment. Yeah, it does stand out on my desk compared to like the keyboard, the mouse, the speakers, monitors, whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.